Hi, I'm glad you can join us. I'm Dr. Barry Schiff, and today we're in for a quick fix treat that pretty much everybody's going to like. We're preparing this for our Super Bowl party, but it's good for any occasion, including a quick snack. We're going to start with our spicy cheese nachos, and we're going to make some additions to it. We're going to use some low-fat mozzarella cheese, some salsa of your choice, but of course you can go to CardioMender MD recipe section and go to Doc's 3-minute salsa if you feel a bit adventurous. And we're also going to use some low-fat sour cream. So I'm going to take a package of our nachos, and I'm going to take an oven-ready plate. I'm basically going to place the nachos on the plate, spread them around evenly, and to this I'm going to top them off with some of our low-fat mozzarella cheese. If you can find low-fat jack cheese, go right for it and use it. Each ounce of this low-fat cheese, and again, when you're making choices, a very lean protein cheese is 1.5 to 3 grams of fat per ounce. That's what category this falls into. But there's some zero-fat mozzarella cheese that counts as a very lean protein. We're going to add some of this mozzarella cheese to the top of our nachos, and I've chosen to put just a twist of lime on top. So we're going to do that, but we're going to add it to the top of the cheese, just a little twist so that the chips don't get soggy. And then I'm going to take a little bit of spice. You can use red peppers if you like a spice, but I've chosen to use some jalapenos that I've pre-chopped. I'm going to add that to the top. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to take these nachos, put them in the oven, and once we do so, we're going to set the timer for 5 minutes, check on them, and they'll need about 5 to 10 minutes depending upon how you like your nachos and how your oven runs. We're going to check on our nachos and see how they're doing. Oh, fabulous. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is fantastic. There you have it. I'm just going to top with a little bit of cilantro. And let me tell you something. This is on plan. Bon appetit.